Good morning everybody, it's Bubs. How are you all? I know it's been a while since we filmed a Get Ready With Me, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. I hope you're all feeling well. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like crap today. Those who also deal with insomnia, I feel you. Starting off, I'm going to prep my face with my Glotion Day Dew. You guys know I love this. I especially love this when I don't wear makeup. Asian skin tone, you can appear quite sallow. For me, it's especially at the top of my forehead, around here. Basically just works as a light moisturizer, but just the way it's formulated, it helps to bounce away all the dull areas because it does have luminance and iridescence in it, but it's not too much. I don't mind glassy skin if it looks natural. Some glassy skin can look unnatural, like a bit vampire-y. One pump and you can see already just how much it's brightened up and just lifted my face, right? Can you see? This is my go-to foundation these days. It's from Iconic London. I use it a lot these days just because it's handy and great for me to apply on the go. So usually I do 3 swipes and then on my chin, and I kind of just go like this. This is from Beach Cosmetics. I really like this brush. I like it because it's a brush that can do everything. Light strokes, I just blend away. I haven't really talked about it here in this channel, and then I think, why not? Like, this is supposed to be my safe place, right? I have something known as PMDD, and it stands for premenstrual dysphoric disorder. So think of PMS, but a more severe case of that. I only started having PMDD right after having my second child, Ayla. Just gonna add a second layer to areas that need a bit more coverage. What happens is 2 weeks before time of month, before Tommy comes, I just get very irritable. I start getting really anxious. I'll struggle to sleep at night. I'll get stomach pains. I'll have this need to control. Because you get this need to control, you'll start trying to like take everything on, and then you'll sort of burn out. Especially with people involved. I feel like the PMDD doesn't just punish me. It's unfair that it punishes my family because I end up taking it out on them. So while I keep talking, this is the under eye brightening corrector. Again, another product great on days you don't want to wear makeup. Kind of works like the moisturizer that we use. And I went through this period where I'm like, why do I feel the way I do? And I know I'm very blessed. It's just one of those cases where, you know, you don't have to have something wrong for you to feel this way. It's just crazy how the chemicals in your brain works. You don't have to qualify to feel anxious. You don't have to qualify to feel depressed. Look at that, guys. Just totally brightens up the under eye area. I mean, like, I struggle with PMDD, but like, it just made me really feel for people who struggle with depression and anxiety every single day. I can't even imagine. Yeah, during this time, I just try to lay low. Tim tries his best to give me space. I try my best not to kill people around me. I love that people these days are more vocal about not applying your makeup, like Instagram makeup, and I'm so glad because you don't always have to pack on the concealer underneath, especially if you're a little bit older or if your skin is dry. I always say, don't follow trends, follow your heart. I'm still really liking the Can Make marshmallow powder. I've hit pan on it. Just going to remove some of the excess shine. You don't want to take away all of it. Like I always say, you still want your skin to look like skin. Sometimes people are like, why talk about it? They'll never understand. But if you don't talk about it, then they can't. I'm gonna be using my Goop Proof brow pencil. I had my brows microbladed 2 years ago, and you can see most of it is gone, which is expected. And especially if you're someone that sweats a lot, or if you gym and exercise often, then it's obviously gonna push the pigment out of your pores. I can see lately it's all about the brush brows and the brush gel, and I'm really admiring that look on other people. It's kind of, you know, like a phone, you know, like certain apps are in and you're like, oh, it's cool, but then you just, oh, do I want to download it? Do you ever feel like that? I'm not gonna download this app on my face. Baby got peach palette. I'm gonna start with this color, this eyeshadow. It's called Perky. Who doesn't want to feel perky? Who doesn't want to be perky? I'm gonna apply right in the middle of the eye. Isn't that funny again? You know, earlier we were talking about trends, and back then they used to say, you know, you should never ever wear these sort of shades, especially if you're Asian, because it's not supposed to go with your sallow tones. Well, guess what? This color ended up being such a hot color. Just goes to show, don't follow trends, follow your heart. Warming up my eyelid. So yeah, what do you guys do when you're not feeling your best? If you feel like you got no one to talk to, you can write yourself a letter. It's good to let it out. Vent it. Don't keep it inside. Don't bottle it within, because it's one way or another it needs to come out. And I'm not talking about a fart. Sometimes what happens is you try to bottle it in, you could end up exploding on somebody. Some people find communities online. Go for a walk. One of my favorite ways to pick myself up is to, you know, put on an episode of Friends and do my nails. It's life-changing. Giving yourself time is one of the best things you could do, self-love wise. I'm gonna use this eyeshadow and it's called Ready or Yet, which is sort of like a light rose gold. It's concentrated in the inner parts. I'm taking this color, Half Baked, define the eyes a little bit. How far should you make the eyeshadow pass? Don't pass here. I have a question for you. What is your favorite season and why? Again, going back to the color Half Baked, I'm just gonna pop it underneath my eyes, so I'm gonna look up. Like, I don't even need to see. The Pixie Endless Silky Eye Pen, my new favorite eyeliner I'm loving lately. Apply a little bit in my outer lower lash line, and then with a smudger brush, just kind of blurring the lower lash line just a little bit. So this is the Innisfree Powerproof brush liner. I'm going to be using brown today for my upper lash line. Like, to me, this is therapy. Doing my makeup, chatting. These little small strokes, I work around the contours of my upper lash line. I'm just going to follow that lower lash line and create the flick. Join it up. Now taking this shimmery eye pencil, lately I like to really concentrate it on the middle section of my eye. I'm gonna take this color right here, Ready or Not, which we use at the beginning, and I'm gonna focus it in the middle of my eye. Apply a little bit right here too. Do your magic. Curl, curl, and lift. This is also from ColourPop. This is called Fresh and Peachy. These days I like to apply my blush quite high, quite a lot actually. Start here, and little circles, getting smaller. I like to eat apples and bananas. I don't even know what songs are in these days, guys. All I ever listen to are, I don't even know what song it is, but I know all the lyrics to it. It's really pretty. I love this blush. This is the Ray of Light. I love the name. It's so cute. I saw Tiffany from Girls' Generation use this. I bought right away and I'm wondering, like, what am I expecting? Am I expecting to buy this and then I'll look like Tiffany? So let's just pop this at the highest points of my face. So this is my cheekbones. And then some here. Whatever's left over, I actually like to swipe it at the bottom of my eye. No makeup from Pony. It's just a satin finish, My Lips But Better color. I think it's a bit pink. I'm just gonna apply more of a darker color to see how it looks, just slightly. I think it is better, guys. Just gonna add a little bit more blush just to complete the look, and I think we're pretty much done. On the sun's eye, feeling much better. Actually not gonna contour my face today. These days I like to just apply blush instead, and if you apply blush a little bit higher anyway, it kind of works as a contour effect. So it looks alright. Ready to pick up Isaac from school. Usually I look so scruffy, which is fine. I'm sure all the other moms get it, but it feels quite nice to look a little bit more presentable. I didn't actually really feel like filming, but now that I've done it, I'm so glad, because it really was like therapy sitting down and chatting with you guys. So thank you so much for chilling with me. Thank you for your time. I really appreciate it. If you don't feel sparkly and glowy within, then make your face glowy and then you will sparkle. I'm ready to collect Isaac while looking snatched, and I will see you guys really, really soon.